Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bacon hot dogs on your stove. First, gather your ingredients: hot dogs, bacon, and some toothpicks. Next, preheat a large skillet over medium heat. Now, take one hot dog and wrap it tightly with a single slice of bacon. Use a toothpick to secure the bacon ends, ensuring it stays in place during cooking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic meal. Once your skillet is ready, carefully place the bacon-wrapped hot dogs seam side down. This helps to seal the bacon as it cooks. Let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning them frequently with tongs. You want the bacon to become beautifully golden brown and crispy on all sides. Make sure the hot dogs are thoroughly heated through for the best taste and texture. After cooking, carefully remove the bacon hot dogs from the skillet and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess grease. This step helps keep them from being too oily. Remember to carefully remove all toothpicks before serving to avoid any surprises. Now, they are ready to be placed in your favorite buns and topped with whatever you desire. Enjoy your perfectly cooked creation. For an even more indulgent experience, try using thick-cut bacon. It provides a chewier, more substantial texture. Another great tip is to sprinkle a little brown sugar on the bacon before cooking for a delightful sweet and savory flavor profile. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. These bacon hot dogs are perfect for any occasion, so get creative with your toppings and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.